today's Fun Friday recipe, I'm going to be making raspberry ripe chia puddings. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some Happy Way triple choc fudge protein powder, however you can just use the chocolate one. I've got some coconut yogurt, some coconut milk, however you can use any plant-based milk, chia seeds, frozen raspberries, some raw chocolate and date syrup. However, you could use maple syrup or rice malt. So to make this recipe, there's a few steps. I'll start with making the chia pudding. So what I'm going to do is simply mix the chia seeds, the coconut milk and the protein powder together in a bowl, or you could just shake it up in a jar, and I'll place that into the fridge for an hour, or you can do that overnight and let that set. And then for the raspberry layer, I'm simply going to blend up the raspberries and the date syrup together in the blender. And then I've just got the coconut yogurt, which I'll serve by itself. And so to put it all together, I'm simply going to use 2 serving glasses and layer everything. So the chia pudding, the raspberry mixture and the coconut yogurt. And I'll just layer that in a jar and top it with some chocolate to serve, and it'll be ready to eat.